Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get back the toolbox option on your Visual Studio when you try to create the Windows Form application project. So here I have this Windows Form application project, but I don't see any toolbox option here. So the way you can enable the toolbox is by going to the view option, and here you will see the toolbox option here. So click on toolbox option, and this will enable this toolbox, and then you can pin this toolbox here so that it will be available here. You can also unpin this toolbox, and then you can also close this toolbox, which will hide this, right? So next time if you don't see this toolbox, you just need to go to view and then click on toolbox option, which is going to enable the toolbox. And from here you can drag and drop your favorite tool into this form and then start creating your application like this, right? If you want to change the property of those tools, then you can just right click on this tool and then click on properties, which is going to open the property box here on the right hand bottom. So from here you can change the property of your tool, right? So this is how you can enable the toolbox on Visual Studio. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.